Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this modern Karwa Chauth look with very light makeup with very light jewelry. So without wasting so much of time, let's get started with the video. So first I'm using Nivea moisturizer, as you all know if you watch my video. So this moisturizer is very light and this is very affordable moisturizer. So I'm applying this moisturizer all over my face. So yeah, after that I'm using Color Bar primer. This is silicone based primer and this smoothen your makeup and make your makeup long lasting. I'm just taking 2 to 3 drops of this primer and applying it on my T-zone with the nose and corner of my nose. Yeah, I'm using Baby Lip moisturizer, that is lip moisturizer from Maybelline, to moisturize my lips in between this process so that it will not chap at the end when I'm applying lipstick. After that I'm using Milani Perfect Conceal Foundation. This is full coverage foundation. Just taking 3 to 4 drops and applying it in dot motion. This is full coverage foundation and very special for festive season. Now I am blending this foundation with this brush which is flat from front side. This is called Kabuki brush and this is from PAC. So just dabbing this foundation in dab motion. I am not dragging it, otherwise it ends up with the linings. And this is full coverage foundation. You don't have to apply the second coat and you don't have to apply a concealer. If you want extra coverage around your eyes, you can apply a second coat around your eyes, but there is no need to apply the second coat. After that I'm using this compact from Lakme and just applying it around my eyes and on the areas where I have more sweat, and just giving it finish with the brush. So yeah, our base makeup is complete. Now coming to the eye makeup. So first I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Camlin, which is very cheapest, around 40 rupees 45. So this is cheapest, and just combing my eyebrows and filling it with the pencil. So yeah, this is done. After this I am using this face palette from Sugar and taking the contour shade, that is bronzer shade, and applying it on my crease area. Because this is very simple look for modern look, you can say it modern look for Karwa Chauth. So I am applying this bronzer shade for the crease area. Then moving on to the eye palette, I am using this eye palette from Swiss Beauty and taking this shade, that is maroon shade, and applying it on my corners of the lid. Just giving dimension to the eye. I'm not applying all over on my lid this shade, and just repeating the process with the other eye. Now from the same eye palette I am using this orange shade and I am applying it all over my lid with the help of my finger, because you know fingers do the great job as compared to the brushes. So I am applying this with the help of my finger, and this is little shimmery shade, so it gives the festive look. Now coming to the eyeliner, applying eyeliner is a very tough job, so you have to, or even I have to concentrate. Just giving a thin line. Yeah, this is done. I just created an extra little wink. So yeah, after that I'm using kajal from Maybelline and applying it on my lower waterline. So this process continues with the second eye, and this gives the very simple look because I am applying a little bit of kajal, not a thick kajal. So yeah, coming to the mascara, but before applying mascara I am always using this Vega eyelash curler, and after that I am using mascara from Maybelline. So when you are applying mascara, don't forget to roll your spoolie so that it curls your eyelashes. And just applying it on my lower lash line also, just a little bit. Now eye makeup is done. Coming to the face makeup or giving dimension to the face, so from the same palette of Sugar, that is face palette, I am taking this contour shade and giving dimension to my face. Just apply it with the light hand. And applying it on my forehead and on my chin area. I love this process because it gives very good dimension to our face. And for blush I am using from eye palette, so this is a peach shade, and just applying it very light hand and very little product. Now coming to the best part, that is highlighting our face. So for highlighter I am using this shade from highlighter from Sugar palette and applying it on my high zones. So as this is festive look, so I am applying extra highlighter, that is liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and just giving 2-3 drops to my high zones and dabbing it with my finger, because as I told you that fingers do the great job in certain areas of our face. And applying extra product on my brow bone. So yeah, this is done. Now coming to the lipstick. For Karwa Chauth, obviously the red lipstick. So I'm using this red lipstick, which is little shiny. See, the whole face changes. Now our makeup is complete. Now coming to the main part, that is red bindi. I am applying red bindi from this colorful palette of the bindi, and it changes whole look of a married girl. And fixing my makeup with a makeup fixer, that is from Faces Canada. Now it's time for wearing jewelry. So this is the light jewelry from Meesho. I will provide you the link. But here step I forgot is the applying eyeshadow below my lower waterline. So I am applying this at the end, and it make your eyes bigger. So yeah, it's complete, and this is the final look. So if you like the look, please subscribe to my channel, give thumbs up to the video, and I will back with the new concept, with the new makeup video or video demanded by you. So till then, bye bye.